Hey there, this is Linda Cromar. I'm hoping this will record this time. I've made three attempts. And I wanted to share with you something here. Oh, this is a perfect example right here of people uh, just spamming the heck out of all of the Facebook feeds, the main feed, all of the groups. And this is a desperate attempt, in particular, looking at this one, to get people to look at your business, and it doesn't work. People will not do this, especially not if you've done all caps like this. But I mean, really, truly, would you join somebody you don't know anything about just because somebody did a spammy post like this? Or you can go down the feed, you can probably find quite a few others. Here's several others, people doing the same kind of stuff. So, what is the other answer? The other answer is to create nice looking capture pages that offer people something they want. Now, obviously, people at the end want to get you into their business, or you want to get them into your business. And so obviously you got to start here. And I want to backtrack and explain first how I made this particular website. And then I'm going to share with you how to create one for yourself. Now, first off, this one actually is going to an outside website, which I have right here. This One Life right here is what that goes to. And this is a link that somebody in our team created. And it makes it really fun because it's comfortable and easy to do. But the problem is that this is exactly what those other people are doing, aren't they? They're sending people directly to their link, trying to get them to look at the information so that they will actually join you immediately. And most people are not going to do that. They might actually opt in if they're kind of curious, and then they're going to look at things, and then they're going to wait and see what you do next. And so I'm going to actually do the same thing I did here, and I'm going to create another one out of this 600 club right here. I'm going to do this one this time because you can actually do that as many times as you want off of these different pages. So I'm going to copy that, and this one's 600 clubs, so I'm going to remember that. That's what I want to call it. And I'm going to go in here. Now, the very first thing, I don't have to do this anymore, but at the beginning, before you start, you need to actually go to the companies, the companies that you represent, which is this link right here. And as you can see, I created a couple of different ones. I have one here for that, and I have one here for the direct link into the Wake Up Now. Actually, don't need any of the others except for this one. I can create as many as I want, though. And so what would you do first? Well, obviously, I already created one right here that's really nice, and I don't have to do anything much different to it. So what I think I'm going to do is I'm going to jump in here, and I'm going to uh, lead captures that I created. Oh, that's not the one I want. I'm going to go to that we created, and then I'm going to come down here, and I'm going to actually go to the one I have just now created. I just did this one, and I'm going to actually copy it because I don't want to redo, I don't want to write over that one. And so that one is copied off of, where is it? It's probably in the bottom somewhere here. You look for where it's clicked, and if you want to change it, you can. You can actually use any of these. You don't want to use the ones that are PLS because those are for the inside system. You want to use one that says any company lead pages. You can choose any of these that you want. I like to use one that already has a really cool picture or something in it. So you can just kind of look web pages that I've already created. So I have one This is a custom page. This is one that I've already created, so because I asked it to do that, so it should actually go to the same one I just made for the other one, and it did. So what I'm going to do now is I'm going to I'm going to change this now because this is a different page. So I'm going to say this one is Wake Up Now, and then I'm going to say 600 Club because that page is called 600 Club. And I can leave this alone, and then I need to create a new subdomain. So I'm going to call it 600 Club with Linda Cromar. So it's going to read 600 Club dot with Linda Cromar. And I am going to send it to an autoresponder. And the best way to work with it is to send it to the promote primary, which means the ones that it'll send it to one of my pages, and I have to tell it where I want it to go. And so on this case again, I am going to have it go to an outside page, and that is this page that I just did. And of course we don't want HTTP twice, so remove that. And then let's look at this page a minute to see what things that we need to write in that description so it's congruent with that description. So this is a cool page that is kind of lifestyle, explaining what Wake Up Now is about and the kind of things that you could expect from it. It's kind of a cool one, and there's several videos, and it explains pretty much what Wake Up Now is about, some of the products, and some of the things that you can do. And then it has some other, more detailed product videos if somebody wants to go that route in here. So this is kind of a nice informational page that you can send people to. Has a lot of information. Doesn't have to be this detailed. You can just do one of these videos, but I'm just sending it to this page just to give you a quick idea, especially if you've got people in your team that are creating pages like this. But you remember, when you look at this page here, there is no opt-in in here. It says join my team, and when they click this, it goes to, well, for mine it goes to the login, but it would go to a sign up page from here. So that's not going to help if you're looking for getting their information. So let's be honest, people don't join you on the very first time that you share something. So I'm having I'm going to have some emails lined up, and so this is kind of that. So I'm going to do enjoy the freedom lifestyle of Wake Up Now. Travel at up to 80% commission savings. Yes, gotta be able to spell. Take it off on your taxes and make money. Okay, so I'm going to do that. Freedom lifestyle. Work from home. Work from home. Online marketing. Wake Up Now. 1. My name. Save on taxes. Make money. Save money. Manage money. Oh, and that's something I want to put here. Enjoy the freedom lifestyle of Wake Up Now. Saving money. Managing money and making money. By doing things you already do. Travel up to 80%, savings, take it off on the taxes and make money. Okay, now the reason why we want to go to this is that this might help it be seen on the website. And then we're going to actually, we really don't have to do anything else. I'm going to leave the same picture. So I'm going to review it, see if it works. Always check to make sure it works. I'm going to leave this part alone because I like it. So I'm going to make sure that it lets it work and lets it go to that page. Always test your page. So it always makes you do this because it wants to make sure that a robot isn't doing it. And then it gives you an option of going through the actual tour of the video of the emails, and of course you don't need to get those a dozen times. And yes, it does go to my page that I showed you. So we have a complete marketing system put together in just a matter of a few minutes.